Welcome to this complete Split, Croatia guide. Imagine a place where the azure sea kisses the sun-drenched coastline, where history whispers through the ancient walls, and where the vibrant life thrums in the air. Yes, that's Split, Croatia for you. In the next few minutes, we'll take you on a virtual tour of this Mediterranean gem, exploring its iconic landmarks from the majestic Diocletian's palace to the serene Marjan Hill. So buckle up and prepare for an unforgettable journey through Split's must-see attractions. First on our list is the majestic Diocletian's palace. This awe-inspiring piece of architecture has stood the test of time. Constructed at the turn of the 4th century AD, it was built as a retirement home for the Roman Emperor Diocletian. And let me tell you, Diocletian knew how to retire in style. The palace, which is more like a fortress, spans over 30,000 square meters and was originally designed to house up to 9,000 people. Its historical significance is unquestionable, but it's the breathtaking beauty that will truly capture your imagination. The palace is a harmonious blend of Roman and medieval architecture, with its towering walls, ornate gates and stunning peristyle. Did I mention it's also a UNESCO World Heritage site? That's right, it's been recognized for its outstanding universal value. So, you see, a trip to Split is simply incomplete without stepping into the grandeur of Diocletian's palace. Next, immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the Riva Promenade. This iconic promenade, with its enchanting sea views, is a haven for the senses. Imagine the salty air brushing against your skin, the gentle lull of the Adriatic Sea whispering in your ears, and the warm sun soaking into your face. Take a leisurely stroll along the palm-lined promenade, where every step takes you closer to the heart of the city's culture. Dotted along the promenade are a multitude of cafes and restaurants, each offering a unique taste of Croatia's culinary delights. From creamy gelato to savory local dishes, your taste buds are in for a treat, and the feast doesn't stop at food. The promenade is often graced by lively street performers. From musicians strumming heartfelt melodies to artists creating masterpieces before your eyes, these performances add a unique charm to the promenade. The Riva Promenade, where the heartbeat of Split truly lies. For a breath of fresh air, head to Marjan Hill. Here you'll find yourself amid dense Mediterranean pine forest, a green oasis rising majestically above the city of Split. This hill, often referred to as the lungs of the city, offers a serene escape from the bustling city life. As you ascend the hill, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the city, the azure Adriatic Sea, and the surrounding islands. It's an enchanting sight that never fails to captivate. It's not just the views that make Marjan Hill a must-visit spot, it's also the sense of tranquility, the whisper of the wind through the trees, the scent of pine mingling with sea salt. And if you're a photography enthusiast, you're in for a treat. The changing light of day brings an ever-changing palette of colors, making Marjan Hill a photographer's dream. So remember to bring your camera. Marjan Hill, a serene escape and a photographer's paradise. Now, let's delve into the spiritual side of Split at the Cathedral of St. Domnius. A structure steeped in history, the Cathedral of St. Domnius stands proudly as the oldest Catholic cathedral in the world that remains in use in its original structure. This cathedral is more than just a place of worship. It's a testament to the city's rich past, dating back to the Roman Empire. Housed within the ancient Diocletian's palace, the cathedral's stunning architecture tells tales of different eras. The mausoleum-turned-cathedral features beautifully preserved Roman architecture, while the bell tower exhibits elements of Romanesque style, offering a fascinating blend of historical periods. But the cathedral's significance goes beyond its architectural splendor. It holds a special place in the hearts of locals, serving as a symbol of faith and a beacon of spiritual guidance. Its bell tower, the city's highest point, stands as a sentinel, keeping a watchful eye over Split, the Cathedral of St. Domnius, where history, faith and artistry intertwine. Time to unwind at the popular Bacvice Beach. This delightful sandy paradise is the perfect spot to soak up the Croatian sun. The waters here are as clear as crystal, inviting you to dive in and cool off. But it's not just about sunbathing and swimming, oh no. Bacvice Beach is also the birthplace of Pisigin, a local game that involves a lot of splashing and laughter. It's a must-try for anyone seeking a bit of fun. As the sun dips below the horizon, Bacvice Beach transforms. The soft murmur of waves is replaced by lively music, laughter and clinking glasses. This beach is not just a daytime delight, but also a nocturnal hotspot. You'll find a vibrant array of beach bars and nightclubs, each offering a unique way to experience the Croatian nightlife. Bacvice Beach, where fun and relaxation meet, a place that truly encapsulates the spirit of Split. Next, we journey to the heart of Diocletian's palace, the Peristyle Square. This bustling hub, steeped in history, is a testament to the grandeur of Roman architecture. The square, adorned with an array of Corinthian columns, is an open-air museum that takes you back in time. Surrounding these columns, you'll find the original sphinxes brought from Egypt, a nod to the emperor's fondness for the ancient civilization. As we wade through the sea of tourists and locals alike, you can't help but be swept up in the vibrant atmosphere. Street performers, musicians, and artists bring the square to life, adding a modern touch to the ancient backdrop. Cafes and shops dot the perimeter, providing the perfect spots to soak in the ambience. Amid the laughter and chatter, the sound of footsteps echoing off the cobblestones, one can almost hear the whispers of the past. Peristyle Square, where the past and present collide. Art enthusiasts, rejoice! The Mestrovic Gallery awaits. Nestled in the heart of Split, this gallery is a treasure trove of creativity, showcasing the works of Ivan Mestrovic, Croatia's most celebrated sculptor. His artistic prowess is on full display here, with sculptures that capture the human form in all its complexity and emotion. Mestrovic's works are not just sculptures, they're stories etched in stone and wood, tales of history, mythology, and the human spirit. This gallery isn't just about the art, though. The building itself is a work of art designed by Mestrovic himself. It's an architectural marvel that seamlessly blends with the natural surroundings, offering breathtaking views of the sea. So whether you're an art connoisseur or simply a lover of beautiful things, the Mestrovic Gallery is sure to captivate you. The blend of exquisite art, stunning architecture, and mesmerizing sea views make it a must-visit spot in Split. The Mestrovic Gallery, a testament to the timeless beauty of art. Let's saunter over to the charming People's Square, or Piazza. Here, the heart of Split beats with a rhythm that's rich in history and culture. Enveloped by Venetian-style buildings, the square is a testament to the city's past under Venetian rule. The pastel-colored facades, ornate balconies, and arched windows are an architectural feast for the eyes. Dominating the square's skyline is the iconic clock tower, a silent sentinel standing tall and proud. This towering edifice is not just a timekeeper, but a beacon that has seen centuries of change and progress. And let's not forget the bustling market. As day breaks, the square comes alive with vendors setting up their stalls, selling everything from fresh produce to handcrafted trinkets. The air fills with the aroma of ripe fruit, the chatter of locals, and the clinking of coffee cups. People's Square, a delightful snapshot of Split's daily life. Next up, explore Croatia's history at the Split Archaeological Museum. One of the oldest museums in Croatia, this storied institution houses a vast collection of artifacts that span thousands of years. Imagine walking through hallways filled with Greek pottery, their intricate designs telling tales of ancient civilizations. Each piece, whether a simple pot or an ornate amphora, is a testament to the skill and creativity of craftspeople from millennia ago. But the journey doesn't end there. The museum also boasts an impressive collection of Roman coins, each one a shiny relic from a bygone era. These coins, once used in daily transactions, now serve as a tangible link to the past, connecting us with the lives of those who walked these lands before us. So, if you're fascinated by history and yearn to connect with the ancient world, the Split Archaeological Museum is a must-visit. The Split Archaeological Museum, where treasures of the past await. Last but not least, ascend to the formidable Klis Fortress. Perched strategically atop a limestone bluff, the fortress is a testament to Split's rich and varied history. Its towering walls and imposing structures whisper tales of past battles and ancient civilizations. This same fortress, with its panoramic views of Split and the Adriatic Sea, served as a filming location for the Game of Thrones series. Yes, you heard it right. Klis Fortress transformed into the city of Myrine, home to the Mother of Dragons herself. Now, isn't that something to fire up your imagination? Take a moment to marvel at the breathtaking panorama from the fortress's peak. The red-roofed city of Split, flanked by the shimmering Adriatic, unfolds before you, presenting a sight that's as close to a bird's-eye view as you can get without sprouting wings. Klis Fortress, a historical gem that truly crowns our journey through Split. And there you have it, 10 must-visit spots in Split, Croatia. from the historical grandeur of Diocletian's palace to the serene beauty of Marjan Hill, the lively Riva Promenade, the sacred Cathedral of St. Domnius, and the sun-kissed Bacvice Beach. Not forgetting the artistic Mestrovic Gallery, the vibrant People's Square, the insightful Split Archaeological Museum, and the strategic Klis Fortress. Split indeed offers a rich tapestry of experiences. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, safe travels.